you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the
Wow. Wow. Mia Mia, Salmia, Hawali Parwania, Philippines. Philippines. Ngayon natapos ka na. Ha?
Thank you, Ate Alice.
Aywa. Thank you very much.
Alin na moderate ka, Ate Alice?
Oh, kasi gwapa na siya.
Gwapa na po.
Kanina, maot kay sa kanina. Karon, gwapa na kay siya. Murag dili siya, oh. Tanawa ang ganina ang gatong before. Tapos ngayon, wow, sana all. Sana all maging gwapa ka. Pag pumunta kayo dito, gaganda kayo. Maganda kayo, pero pagkatapos, lalong gumanda. Kasi magkamukha na tayo. O, di ba?
Ganda. Thank you, Ate Alice.
Love you. God bless. Tapos,